Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a Tissot T-Touch if the analog hands and the digital display is not matching. Press the middle button number 2 to activate the touch screen and press in the middle of the screen to show T1. As you can see, the digital display is showing 311 and analog hands showing 8+5. To fix that, continue to press in the middle of the screen until you see OPT dot. Once you see, press the button number 2. Press the middle of the screen one time until you see SYNC dot. Press and hold for 2 seconds button number 1, the top button, and then use button number 1 and number 3 to move the minutes hand towards 12, that is horizontally facing upward. Touch in the middle of the screen one time, and it's time now to use the same button number 1 and 3 to move the hour hand towards 12, that is horizontally facing upward. At the end, you should have the time of noon or midnight. Exit the setting by either pressing in the middle of the screen or button number 2, the central button. Now, the digital time and analog hands should be matching. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.